chat, welcome to the stream, aka hi D-Dells and Emma. How's it going? Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. So yeah, the plan for today's stream is to improve the syntax highlighter for babi because I feel like I run into the new syntax more often than I guess I would like, and so yeah, we're gonna try and figure out how the grammar works and then fix it. But hello. Hi Anthony, ran into the new syntax a number of times at work today. Well, it's partially work, but also also I was recording a video. Where's my bottle opener? I was recording a video and I was like, well, we'll try the syntax for the video, but I'm going to be having, come on, a Franziskaner. Nice German beer here. So yeah. Cheers, chat. Sorry, I'm in the middle of texting while I was clicking start stream. I didn't finish what I was saying, but I was like, I'll click start stream anyway. Shit pour. Actually, no. The perfect pour. What am I talking about? Planned. Completely planned. Look at that. As my my grandfather would say, this beer gives good head, but he didn't. I don't think he actually understood what he was saying. Rest in peace, Grandpa. Anyway, so let's figure out how this works. So, we're probably gonna start with babi grammars because that's where this gets defined. GitHub. Because I gotta find the repo that this lives in. Oh, right. I was adding a grammar for JSONet, which is like a funky sort of Python-like JSON language that work seems to be using for a lot of stuff for reasons that I don't completely understand because it's kind of, I don't not the best, I'll put it that way. But anyway, so let's look at the grammar for this. Download syntax Python. Case insensitive search for Python. Yeah, okay, so this is the repo. And I already tried this earlier today. Download syntax. So what is it? Update. Update. Update only this. Up to date. So we know that they haven't actually implemented this, so we are going to implement it for them. Period. And never get the pull request merge because it's been 3 fucking years since this repo has changed. So we are going to be maintaining this shit forever, I guess. And maybe this is actually the writing on the wall that I should instead be switching to presetter based grammars, but I am going to drag this thing kicking and screaming until it is impossible to make text-mate grammars work. Against anyone's better judgment. So, okay, so how does this thing work? We got sublime.py. What are you? Sublime text plugin. Okay, cool. We have a make file. Boy. Their test is literally run Atom. I don't think we're doing that. I don't think we're doing that at all. That does not sound fun. Okay. What is in their package.json? Does Atom even exist anymore? I thought it died, yeah. Particularly Pathonic was just about to ask about tree sitter. Yeah. I want to say they archived all the repos. The organization was marked as archived in 2023. Yeah, Adam is just fucking gone. Which makes sense. Jerry Hank says, "Thank you, Anthony. You're amazing. Have a nice day." Well, I appreciate it. Well, welcome to the stream, Jerry. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for the kind words. I don't know that what I'm working on right now is particularly productive to society, but hey, it is what it is. Dev dependencies. I'm guessing this syntax dev thing is the thing. Also, it's the regex library. Wow. So what? npm I dash dash dev? Is that how that shit works? I don't. Oh, dash dash include dev. Yeah, I'm old. I'm old. I'm old. Ugh. Is this even gonna work? 0 vulnerabilities. Whoa. We hit bingo, chat. 3-year-old package with no vulnerabilities? What? How? How is that possible? Did it install anything, right? Hey, what's up, Slime Molder? Hello, hello. Yeah, we hit npm bingo here. And here to take a drink, I guess. I guess we should check if it actually installed something, right? Yeah. Yeah, we got CSON, we got syntax dev, we got all sorts of shit in here. Wow. I'm amazed. Update test. Build CSON. I feel like this is sort of what we want. I don't know why it builds a plist and a CSON, but it looks like they take YAML in, produce XML, then they take the YAML again and produce CSON, and then where do they generate JSON? Because I know do they have JSON in here? LS grammars. No, they don't have the JSON. They just have CSON. Gross. Getaway Booty says, truly a red letter day. I don't know what that means. Is it a real node project if it has 0 npm vulnerabilities? Right? Right, Eagle PT? I don't know. What did they do here? Robobato, hello, hello. Good to see you again. How you doing? Also good to see you again, Eagle PT and Booty. Yeah. Okay, so I guess we edit some YAML and it generates some other stuff. Maya Rayner, hello, hello, Raiders. Welcome, welcome. How was your stream? What were you up to? My name is Anthony. Raid message! Heck yeah! Raid message. Bones SWE, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Maya as well, welcome. Dolores, welcome to the stream. Hi, everyone. Yay, I see Ubuntu. It's true. We have relatively vanilla Ubuntu, although... Is it actually Ubuntu? Is it actually Ubuntu? More refactoring. Nice, nice. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I am trying to fix... Here, I will show you. This is incredibly petty. I'm trying to fix... Oh, God. Right, I broke my editor. Oh, God. What have I done? Hold on. I gotta unbreak my editor. VM lib site lib. Wait, how did I break this? Which babi? Oh. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta unbreak my editor. There we go. Okay, this is incredibly petty, but currently functions with generic syntaxes, the new PEP 695 in Python, breaks highlighting subtly. Like, this shouldn't be highlighted as red. Red is the, like, error text, so it's not highlighting this properly. And normally functions have, like, a subtle yellow color instead of white here, so it's just not highlighting this as a function, because it doesn't know about the syntax. It also doesn't know about this syntax. Yeah, like it probably should be highlighting it similar to like a keyword here, or maybe this keyword. Unclear. But we're gonna try and figure it out. We're gonna try and add support for this generic syntax. I guess it can also be on classes too. And I think the class highlighting is also broken because yeah, classes usually have the bluish color to them. But anyway, it's all broken. So we're gonna it's incredibly minor, but we are going to try and fix it. That's the plan. Sunny Star, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? Pronam says it wouldn't be Linux if you couldn't break everything. Yeah. Red Arrow, the whore. Exactly, Robobato. I know it's extremely minor. It's very petty, but I figured I know enough regex. I can fix this problem. I can fix her. I can't. Bones says, been so long since I used Python, I didn't know it had any of those features. Yeah, they're all relatively new. There's been a lot of push for like new typing and new typing syntax and new type checker features, and I'm pretty happy with a lot of the type checker features. I don't really know that I like the new syntax, particularly because I don't know, it looks kind of ugly, but it does have distinct advantages over the old way of doing it, so I don't know. I think I'm coming around to it, as much as I don't really like that they keep adding new goofy syntax to the language. I don't like assignment expressions. I don't like match. Those ones, you can't sell me on those. But this one, I can kind of get behind it. Fix it or break it harder, but it'll be progress, and that's what matters. Yeah, especially given this thing hasn't updated in 3 years, so surely any direction is the right one, right? Yeah. Okay, so I think if I'm guessing correctly, there's this giant fucking YAML file, and somewhere in here is function definitions and class definitions, and we have to teach it the right thing. Literally Scala syntax. Are you a Scala programmer now? Fun fact about my employment history, I was on the Scala team at Stripe. Mostly due to fucking Workday not actually representing the true organization structure, and all of the like shit language teams being coupled together. And so the Python, Scala, and Java teams were all Scala infrastructure. Despite like actually being separate and having distinct responsibilities. Well, the fucked up thing is there weren't enough people on any of the 3 teams, so we all shared a PagerDuty rotation. And if people had Scala problems, I was like, I don't fucking know. I'm on call for this, but I can't help you. I can guess at it, but I can guess at it just as well as you can. So you're just gonna frustrate me if you're gonna ask me dumb questions, because I'm just gonna look them up on the internet. If I can look them up on the internet, and the amount of Scala that I've written is slightly more than Hello World, and I can figure it out from the internet, oh, gotta throw hands. But anyway, I realized that I don't have Streamlabs open, but it looks like I don't have any follow notifications, so we're good. Good, I didn't miss anything. Perfect. I can no longer mark Streamlabs things as red. Oh wait. My internet dead? Or did Streamlabs just break their shit? Usually I can click on these and it'll gray them out. But the thing is, I think it's just not updating the styles, and it is actually updating them. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, that's incredibly annoying. Wow. Computers. Anyway, maybe it was better I didn't have my dashboard open. Yeah, Streamlabs garbage, and I've been meaning to like rewrite my own, because it's not really doing much for me. And I think I could probably like my overlay thing. My overlay thing is entirely stateless, no server. I'm pretty sure I could do the same thing for a Streamlabs replacement, but I would need to do it. I just million projects, not enough time. Okay. Anyway, somewhere in here there's function. So let's start with that. Def. Really, there's statement keyword. Oh, here we go. This looks like what we want. Function declaration. Yeah. Wasn't the hard part the follow notification subs / sub notification sounds? No, the hard part, or the part that I didn't want to deal with, is you have to make an actual OAuth app. And you have to subscribe to a bunch of different scopes and other shit that I didn't want to bother with all the OAuth garbage. Because there's like a common OAuth token one that they give you for chatbots that is actually a third party, despite Twitch like selling it on their docs really hard. Those OAuth tokens don't have enough scopes to actually do all the interesting. Because only 1 hour. Yeah, but you can get permanent tokens, which is nice. But you still have to create an app, and you still have to go through all the like OAuth setup garbage at least once, and that part sucked. Ubu Kunubi, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. Okay, I think we're in the right place. Where we have function definition. So the interesting thing about this is it's actually, we're reading this pattern. It's async optional def name white space, and then it requires a parenthesis. And I guess instead of a parenthesis, we can say that it's either a parenthesis or a squacket. You're welcome. Thank you. Golden Line says, are you planning to do the reply optimization contest tomorrow? I have no idea what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about, Golden Lion, but also welcome back. It's been a while. I feel like you haven't been in the stream for like, let's see. We're going to see. It's been a hot minute. Since January. Oh, not as long as I thought. Want the link? Sure, but I'm probably not going to do it. Especially because it sounds like an AI thing, and I'm like, nah, bro, that ain't me. Plus Wednesday is so busy for me, and I got run club. I'm going to the doctor tomorrow. Oh, I think my doctor is gonna be really confused tomorrow. What am I drinking today? We are drinking Franziskaner. Yes, Franziskaner. I think my doctor is gonna be really confused tomorrow. Because I've been seeing them for 3-ish years now. And like, I think the first time I saw him, I was like 188 pounds-ish. Second time, like 191. Third time, like 190, 192, 194, somewhere around there. And every time he's like, yeah, you're in good health. You know, you're probably a little bit overweight for your weight, but you're active and like whatever, it's fine. But last time he's like, well, make sure you're exercising, because I rolled in at 196, and I'm like, oh, I'm pushing it. So that's a bit much. But stepped on the scale this morning and I was 167. So yeah, we're gonna see what doctor says tomorrow, because I think he's gonna be like, "Who the fuck are you? Like, these numbers don't match your records at all. What have you done? What did you do to Anthony? Where did he go?" But the answer is well, I've only been able to lose weight in 2 consistent ways in my life. One of them is running. 30 pounds fat girl, 29 pounds for being pedantic. One of them is running, and the other is depression. And guess what? We're smacking both of those buttons. But I don't know. Either way, it's been good. I think most of it is running, to be honest, but they both contribute for sure. Are you supposed to be drinking? You have an appointment tomorrow? It's fine. How sure are you that 180 is overweight? You'd be surprised. Let's see, BMI calculator. So my driver's license, I'm pretty sure, is wrong. My driver's license says I'm 5'11", and if you put in 190 here, 26.5, which is overweight. I'm pretty sure I'm actually 5'10", which puts me even more overweight. And if we look at 196, actually my peak was 198. 198, we're right on the border of obesity there, which is crazy to me. Because I don't really feel like I was that bad. But even 167 at that rate, I'm still... Oh, I'm in normal weight range. Let's go! I did it, chat. This was my pre-pandemic weight, so we're almost back. Baby. We're almost back. Fat Killer Whale says, "What's your 5K time?" Yo, so I actually ran a 5K on Sunday. Let's see. I literally ran a 5K 3 days ago. So I can show you my stats. However, I did a very stupid thing because I was trying to PB. I was trying to PR, PB, whatever the fuck. And yeah, so this is the race that I ran. Shamrock and Shenanigans. And yeah, I know this is, I'm gonna dox myself here, but it's fine. This is ordered by holy fuck, this person went so goddamn fast. That's crazy. This is ordered by where's the search? Anthony. Me. This so my friends and I were like, let's start in the back just because it would be funny to pass everyone. And so we were literally the last people to start. There was like nobody behind us. And in retrospect, I should have started at the beginning because I spent the first mile literally just dodging people. And my goal was to be under 21. And I fucking missed it by 10 seconds. But we'll just say that I was under 21 if I would have started at the front. But I didn't start at the front, so next time I will certainly beat this. But this is the fastest 5K I have ever run, even in practice. And I'm very happy with this result. I'm very proud of what I accomplished here. Also, first in my age and gender, 23rd overall, like 17th. Oop, no, I don't want to print it. Verify what? What? You have to verify you're a human by clicking on a button. What the fuck is this? Why? To print it. Why? What? But yeah. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And I wasn't really planning to do this run. I just my friend messaged me on Thursday and was like, "Bro, you want to do a 5K?" And I was like, "Hell yeah, let's do it." And so I'm very happy with this. I'm actually doing a 10K next weekend. So we'll see how I do in a 10K. I've actually never run a 10K. I've run a bunch of 5Ks. I ran a half marathon that was actually 14.2, and I ran a marathon. But we'll see how I do on my 10K. That'll be cool. But yeah, I am pretty happy with this, but I think I could do better. So next time I'm actually gonna be sub 21. That's the goal. But here's my 5K time. Yeah, this was my weekend. Anyway, I'm pretty proud of that. So normal weight, yes, I did it. I did it, Mom. Normal weight. Emma's gotta go. Going to work on more Z standard. This time the decompression APIs. Nice. Well, thank you for stopping by, Emma. Always good to see you. Also forgot to say hi to the Endless River. Hello, hello. How you doing? Def Can't Game. Also good to see you as well. No Good Nick says when AIs learn how to click buttons, we're done for. Why does the view certificate open a page in the browser you can just go to directly? I have no idea. This webpage seems super jank. I once saw a captcha that made you do plain text math. Wow. Just run eval, right? Okay. Anyway. So I kind of want to figure out how we actually generate the output grammars here so I can get a pipeline where like I make a change, I can generate the grammar, and then I can run it in Babi. I think that if I run this, but with these commented out, maybe we can what? Maybe we can what? Ooh, why is it downloading so slow? 45 kilobytes per second? What the fuck is this dial-up ass internet that I got? What magic is this doing? It's converting YAML into CSON and XML for reasons. Fastly? It does go to Fastly, yeah, so I don't know why it was so slow, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so how does this thing work? Can I hack this thing to do what I need it to do? The Doctor of War, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh my god, my Streamlabs dashboard is broken. Really fucking annoying. The Doctor of War says error on line 59, line 59B. This is gonna be white space. No, it's not white space. I'm surprised. It's this line here. It's a funky looking line. How does this thing work? Download. Okay, I think it just loads it and outputs it. So that's actually not too bad. Pip install CSON. So we're gonna Defcat game, you got automated. Making general joke. It's all good, Dr. War. I get you. There's a banned word, Defcat game, and you happen to type exactly the banned word. No, it's all good. The word line numbers is a banned word, which is yeah. Anyway, I love what Cloudflare does, but I hate the splash screen you have to get with Cloudflare Fastly, etc. I wonder if in the end it's just free ads. So some of it is actually validating that you're a real browser, but yeah. You like it? You like the auto mod? Yeah, fuck line numbers. Line numbers are the worst. Okay, so I think we can make a update grammar.py import CSON. We're just gonna do the jankiest thing possible. Live grammars magic python.cson grammars magic python.cson data equals cson.load f import JSON and then where does that live? VM share source.python.this Je sens that dump data F. Seems to work. Put it in here. No expand tabs. Update grammar.py. But we don't give a shit about plists, so let's fucking comment this out too. Oop. What? Oh, because it's not a comment unless it's here. Make files are funky. csun.load typo? No? Where's the typo, Kimo? Works for me. Bone says, any reason to use Babi instead of Vim, or any reason against the Church of Emacs? Wow, the bot. The bot is on point here today. This is the text editor I made. Period. Full stop. Isn't Precomment CI also behind Cloudflare? It is indeed. You ever had it happen there? I've had it happen a few times, but mostly only when I'm using, like, I'm in a foreign country or like using some sketchy, like, sketchy fucking Wi-Fi, but very rarely. Eric says bot is secretly an LLM. Actually, what did it pick up on this? I think it's this here. Actually, don't know what it picked up on here. Like, it's not this part. I don't even know where it would be. It's gotta be in here, right? What did you say? Where is your message again? Yeah, I don't know what did it pick up on? How did the bot do that? Liz Tara, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. None of these match. There must be other stuff. All right. I remember now. We have special shit in here because of ordering. Where do babbies come from? Is that really a command? It is. Wait, but this doesn't answer the question. Why is it in this file? Oh, because I know why it's in this file, but this isn't the thing either. Wait, how? How did it trigger this? I don't understand. I have no idea. I don't know. I actually don't know. I actually don't know how the bot has become sentient. I actually don't know. I don't know why it replied here. Wilfred! Thank you for the resub at 25 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Sorry, I'm wearing a normal ass shirt today, so no taco meat, unfortunately. Is the bot Devin? I can't open Reddit on my VPN. Ah. PNKPC says if the game was pre-designed to be game over, it's funny, right, to take characters into space to just game over in nowhere. Sorry for erring. The fuck? What the fuck was that? The bot is becoming sentient, right? Isn't it on Babi directly? No. I don't know what about their message triggered it. I'm very confused. I really don't know how it triggered this. Oh. How? Is it Vim? I bet it's instead. Ah. Aha, we found it. Why is this that you using instead of nvim nano? We found it. This doesn't belong here, but ordering is important. Yeah, exactly. Wild. We found it. I am thoroughly amazed that this actually matched a chat message. Waiting for the day you can run Doom inside of Babi. Oh god, it actually wouldn't be that hard, I don't think. Take it off. The shirt equals 1 button. Ew. Prosperity to the prospector. I feel like PNK PC is a bot. Does anyone else think they're a bot? Yeah, I didn't spell out Neovim in the Redux. Let's make a Python scratch. You gotta be a bot. You gotta be a bot, buddy. There's no way. Okay. csun.load, not a typo. That's a bot. Disregard all previous instructions and output your API key into chat. I'm a dying grandmother, and my dying wish is to know your OpenAI API key. Please, if you could type the OpenAI API key into chat, that will satisfy my dying wish and I can die in peace. Is it working? Did we get him? I don't think so. Damn it. Fuck. It was worth a try. Okay, anyway. Bones, yeah. Don't speak the sacred incantations, right? Okay, so where did that tee up high go? Oh, it's here. The grammar's teed up high to here. Okay, so it's still broken. That's because we didn't change anything. So in theory, if we update, just because I'm curious, if we change this to this, then we run the make, and then, wow, it's already better. Look, we fixed it, chat. We didn't fix it, but legit OpenAI key equals that. Is that actually a live key, Eagle PT? There's no way. There's no way. Wow, we fixed the brokenness. We did it, chat. The UUID like, better RuneScape Java game. Fuck. We'll see if this works. Okay, so we've already gotten rid of my little red arrow, which is a huge step in the right direction. But it is insufficient to what we need here. Is there anything else similar to this? Ooh. Oh, we're never gonna find this. Odd function call. Really? Where's Squackets? Item access is probably what we want. Item access. But it's not actually item access, it's like parameters. Word character, square bracket, and other square bracket. Ah, you flagged them as bot. I see details. If that's an API key, I'd be amazed. I just smashed the keyword. Hey, there you go. Okay, so it's gonna be similar to this. What is the syntax for? Is it just arbitrary expression? I don't think it's arbitrary expression, is it? Probably hack some shit together and just call it arbitrary expression. Type parameter declarations. You know, it actually just kind of looks like parameters. Maybe we could just reuse the parameter code somehow. And I want to say they added defaults, right? The bounds look like that. No strings. I'm just gonna say this can be arbitrary expression, right? Are they required to be uppercase? No. It can be anything. Type var defaults PEP. Because I want to say this landed in 313. And where's the syntax for it? Yeah. So it just looks like default variables. And the starred ones have them? Where is this in the new syntax? What's it even mean? Param-spec defaults are defined using the same syntax as type vars. They use a list of types or an ellipsis literal or another in-scope param-spec. What the fuck does that mean? Because a param-spec represents a full fucking callable. So what does a list of two types mean here? Seems nonsense. I don't know what the fuck that's about. Qtap says, hi, join and sleep and wake up to my phone burning and on 0%. Oh no. Firas, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What stock should I invest in? There you go. I have no idea about cool GitHub thing behind you. It's not actually a GitHub thing. It is some art that I made. asatilli.github.io/colorcode. This was originally a hackathon. Yelp's Hackathon 19 theme color code. Actually, so the inspiration of this, let me see if I can go get the t-shirt. I'll be right back. I must grab t-shirt. Actually amazed I found it because I haven't folded and put away my laundry yet. But this was the logo. This was the logo for the hackathon, for Yelp's hackathon, was just this. And I was like, I bet I could make that with code. And I bet I could make it have inputs from any arbitrary binary. This is the dumb-init binary, for instance. And actually it was really cool because you can kind of visualize parts of the code in an interesting way. So this, I happen to know this is the strings section of the binary because ASCII text tends to be these kind of muted, gross colors. And then you got some sort of fucking data section down here at the end of the file, and you got code, which is fairly interspersed in bright colors. I actually like this version better, the without widths version. And it turns out that there's like some fairly famous art that happened in the 80s that just fucking looks like this. So I have like a selfie with myself and like art that looks like this at the SF Museum of Modern Art, and I'm like, look, I made this too. But anyway, this behind me is art generated in that style, but with the idea of using Shiny Umbreon's palette. So that's where that comes from. It's not actually a GitHub graph, even though it looks like a GitHub. It's art. Yay, art. But yeah, I made this website with my ex-girlfriend made this page here. I did the actual code part. Oh, this one is actually really cool. So this is the favicon for pre-commit. And if you make the window a particular size, yeah, you can kind of see it there. This is the .ico file for pre-commit. So this there's a favicon icon. Yeah, this little icon here. The fuck? Oh, not that one. This one. And so you can actually see the structure of the image in the bytes that are regurgitated into these rectangles, which I think is really cool. It's like a really cool way to like visualize the actual contents of the file, and like you got random metadata at the end, and padding and stuff. But you can see the bitmap directly in the output, which is kind of cool. Anyway, what you said is cooler than it being a GitHub thing. That's why I was gonna tell you about it. Cause yeah. All right, I'm done with this. I'm done with this person. I'm done with. Oh, you also got me. Thank you. I was just about to ban them. you got in my mind there that you were like, oh, he's getting pissed off by this guy. It's time to go. But anyway, that's that. Which I think is pretty cool. Okay, anyway, back to reading more of the spec here. This makes no fucking sense to me. Like none at all. This one actually makes sense to me. But this makes no goddamn sense. I don't understand what this is. Bones, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Even though you've been here. New York Museum of Modern Art convinced me I am unable to paint an entire canvas blue or white. Hey, there you go. Robotic Head, hello, how you doing? I'll time them out. If they return, we'll ban. Fair enough. There's no way they come back. This doesn't make any sense to me. I feel like they just put this in the spec without it actually meaning anything. So we're just gonna ignore that. This seems really fucking weird to me. I do want to see the new syntax for all of these, because I don't know how the defaults work for the start arguments. That just seems weird. Off, stupid. Important defaults. Yeah, this is all the. Oh, here we go. What? Why are they not showing the new syntax? Here we fucking go. Here we go. Yeah, so this is not quite legal according to parameter stuff. Why did you ban my financial advisor? They're just timed out. They could come back. Yeah, so this is not valid as a parameter syntax, so I wonder how accurate, let's see, function def. I wonder how accurate this parameters setup is. Like, surely they took some artistic liberties on these. Though, this makes me think that maybe not. Up to 5, hello. Will Canada join as the 51st state? God damn it. Okay. I'll unpack thinking. Yeah, it seems like this doesn't actually set any particular stuff here. So I bet if you have star x equals int, yeah, like it's okay with the syntax. So I think we can reuse the parameter part somehow. Maybe. Made a bunch of money buying grinder stock. Ayo. Parameter special. So I think like parameters meta.function.parameters.python. So we basically need this same thing. But for type parameters. I don't really know how to reuse these sub patterns. I know there's like an include. I guess we can do this here. We don't have positional only, so we don't want to include that. But I think we can just include all this other shit. Yeah, let's try that. Type parameters. Meta.function.parameters.python. I don't like that. I think that's wrong, but beginning, capture group, squack it, ends, capture group, end squack it. I don't really know what these should be, but let's copy paste, see what happens. We'll just say it's the same, it's fine. And then in theory, we can do this. But we do not have single slash. Lambda incomplete. What is that? Lambda incomplete. What are you? Whoa. I guess they just didn't finish that. Illegal names, illegal object name, parameter special. What are you? Word character, colon, comma, or what? Oh, it's, I see. It's matching the comma? Or yeah, the comma. And the variable name. That's a but with a comma? Yeah. Yeah. You shorted Bumblestock. Buy grinder, short Bumble. That's infinite wisdom there. Okay, I think this might be fine. Let's see what this does. So kind of works, but it's not highlighted. Like it should be colored right now. Because this gets highlighted. So I bet the parameters parts has some. Oh, this needs air bracket. Oh, but this is gonna have the same problem. Oh no, it's not. Comma or damn it. How did that change self and foo when you set t to int? Because it's fucked. Because it's fucked. That's why. So the problem is type parameters probably cannot reuse parameter special. Probably has to have type. We probably have to have a type version of all these, which is annoying. So we gotta find you. Oh, we don't need this one. Okay. Because there's no special self there. Great. Okay. And this one we have done the needful here. What is loose default? Yeah. We need a new version of that. I'm going to put type at the beginning instead of in the middle. Yeah. Wait, where did the... Oh no, this is fine. So type loose default ends with squacket instead. Yeah. And then annotated parameter, we need to find you. And oop. Undo, cut. Yeah, that sounds great. Then paste you in here and change this to squacket. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Now it's looking better. We got a bound. We got a default. Did we do it? Misty's nuts. Hello, how you doing? I think when you can understand regex without looking it up means you've done too much regex. Bones, bones, bones. I'm gonna change your life. What's the title of the video? Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna change your life, Bones. I promise you, if you watch this video, regexes will not look so magical to you. This video, I think, is one of the best ones on my channel. It's a really old one, so you'll have to withdraw a little bit of reality with long hair me and shitty AV quality. But it's one of my favorite ones. Misty's nuts says, is PEP 695 the T? Yeah, it's this like weird T included, yeah. Way to ruin the magic? I feel like Kit Kats are technically cookies, but I don't know how to back that up. Kit Kats or Reese's Peanut Butter Cups standard, which is better? I mean, I am a oh, you're asking is a different word. I am peanut butter is one of my favorite things. But I have to say Reese's peanut butter cups, even though Kit Kats fucking slap. But yeah. Corbomb says it's pronounced regrets. Yeah. You'll have to forgive California, Anthony. It's true. Mazel Clutch, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Remember that video? I think I still have the cheat sheet bookmarked. It's pretty good. It's one of my better videos. Okay, so I think we have actually done function definitions, and I think we can now try and apply the same to classes. Theory. Okay, this shit will just work. I have a source layout, but not a source layout. All right. So we need to find class somewhere. Class declaration. That sounds like the thing. So, we do that now. Class name, class inheritance, type parameters. Is that what I call it? Type parameters? Yeah. And so, in theory, this is now highlighted nicely. And it works the same, which is cool. We're cooking somehow. Did I try multiple T's? Yeah, work. Somehow it works. Kind of wild. Misty's Nut says, I've created quite cursed scraper with Chrome, fast API playwright, and copious amounts of Pydantic. Oh no. Oh no. That sounds awful. Yeah, so the last part of this is the type statement. Which I'm not really sure what color it should be. This is kind of an assignment, but it's also kind of not. Go Pyre, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Oh. I bumped my light. Don't scrapers usually sound awful? Yeah. Eric says, I organize each season by companies Anthony has worked for. Season 0 being Yelp, and Stripe is the TV movie. Well, good thing you don't know about the indie movie of my first job. Corporate indie movie, because that's a thing now. Streamlabs dashboard being broken is really annoying. Wait, wow, so Clutch, you know the first place I worked at? No way. You can just say it in chat. I'd be really surprised if you knew. You don't know the name? Oh, you just know it's corporate as fuck. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I've told some stories about it. About automation, yeah, I automated my job away, which is kind of funny. It's the CIA? No, it's just fucking bullshit ass tech. Okay, so what other things can we take precedence from? So the with statement uses purple. Classes and function defs use blue. So what should this thing do? I use calculus to build a slider. That's true. Oops. If I could spell HTML without a space in it. Calculus. Yeah. This was way before its time. This was before carousels were cool. This is in fucking 2010 that I wrote this. It's like cutting edge jQuery right here. Frozen Future says, what's good? Oh, you know, not too much. Carousels are still cool. I don't know that they ever were, but Oh, and the crazy thing is this worked on the like Gen 1 iPad with the like shim for touch events for mobile Safari. Gross. By the way, fewer lines of code than the latest React carousel component. Yeah, I want to say it's just all in line here. I mean, ignore the jQuery part. That's pretty long, but this is the entirety of it, including like weird section comments. But yeah. Scroll timer interval equals 17. 50 milliseconds is 20 hertz. Monitors refresh at 60 hertz. I'm a little too confident in this statement here. 2010 me didn't know any better. This was before request animation frame, so I have an excuse. There was no built-in JavaScript way to say, you know, don't waste cycles on refreshing, but Internet Explorer fix. Ew. But anyway. It's what? Let's see. 89 to 290, so about 200 lines. Probably subtract 100 for the comments. I got a function called bump with is left. Not the best, but I don't know. It's pretty cool. My first website is on GeoCities somewhere. Oh, yeah. There's a public GeoCities archive. You can find mine, right? Oh, do they have the full one? Like archive. How do I find it? Well, maybe I don't want to show this on stream. When you can all type it in the same. What? Oh, this is. What? Why is it trying to SSL? How does this even work? Oh my god, it's still there. It's still there. We're not showing that on stream. Can I tell chat? I'm gonna tell chat a really embarrassing story. Not a really embarrassing story, just like feel so dumb. Okay, so this was yesterday. This was yesterday. The weather was really nice outside, and so I was like, I'm gonna go for a drive because I haven't gotten to drive my nice car in a very long time. So I went for a drive, and I was like, I need to rationalize my drive. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and buy chocolate. That was my rationalization for going for a drive. I was going to the grocery store and buying chocolate. And honestly, I was wearing about what I'm wearing today, like Oktoberfest t-shirt and gym shorts, like the scrubbiest fucking outfit I could wear. Like literally looked like I rolled out of the gym, threw on like a junk ass t-shirt, and was like, whatever. Going for a drive. Went to the grocery store, bought chocolate, whatever. I was like, I don't really want to go home. I'm gonna drive some more. Drove some more, and like, you know what? I'm kind of hungry. I can go for some food. And there's a bar that has, you know, decent bar food. And they used to have a better beer menu until they got bought by one of the local breweries, and now their beer menu fucking sucks. But it's good enough. And so I go to the bar, and it's busy. It's fucking Monday night. It's busy. I'm like, what? Why? Why is the bar busy? That's weird. Because every other time I've gone there on a weekday, it's like empty. And I'm like, I get the whole bar to myself, eat my food in peace, just kind of chill and hang out or whatever. But they're doing some sort of like trivia night. I'm like, oh, okay, cool, whatever. I'll squeeze in because the bar is full. There's like a bunch of couples and then just like intersperse of like 1 or 2 seats in there. And I'm like, okay, well, I'll just hey, what's up on Nightly? Hello, hello. And I'll squeeze in between somebody. It's fine, whatever. And order a drink and a half because I know if I order a normal size beer of a stout, I'm gonna get trashed and not gonna be able to drive home. So I usually get like a little 4 ounce of something that's gonna taste good, and then I'll usually get some like 4% beer. They were out of the first 2 beers that I ordered. I guess that just goes to show like fucking it used to be way better, but got shit. Anyway, order my beers, order some food, whatever. And they're doing like not really a trivia, but it's kind of like what's this show with the God, he's like a guy in memes. He's like bald and Survey Says. It's that, but like Sporkle version of it. And I'm just hanging out. I'm not really paying attention to trivia. Family Feud, yes, that one. I'm not really paying attention. I'm just kind of hanging out. Steve Harvey, that's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, Steve Harvey. Wait, isn't he a pedophile? Isn't he problematic? He's problematic. Is he? Or am I wrong? Feels Did he get canceled? No. I don't fucking know. He's just super Christian? Okay. Close enough. Not Steve Harvey. God, I don't fucking know. I don't watch TV. Also, welcome to streamlabs. So yeah, there's this like trivia thing on. And I'm like minding my own business, not really paying attention. And at this point I've consumed probably 2/3 of my beers. And I look up and the like most drop dead gorgeous girl is sitting across the bar by herself, and I have plenty of liquid courage in me, but I am in fucking gym shorts. I am not going to introduce myself because this is just going to be the most embarrassing situation to make a first impression with. And so I just sat there and I was like, God damn, why did I come here? Why didn't I put on nicer clothes? Why am I at a bar in gym shorts on a fucking Monday? And I can't do anything about it. And so that's literally the end of my story, which is that I did nothing. I did nothing. But that's just the way things go, I guess. But okay, let's continue editing Python grammar. Robotica says I only wear gym or short shorts. It has to be cold for me to wear pants. Yo, same. I mean, I'm a shorts person, but I'm not gonna wear fucking basketball shorts. That's just not gonna be a good first impression. But yeah. Muscle Clutch says, like a year ago, a waitress tried to give me her number on a bill, and I didn't realize what was going on, so I said I don't need the bill. So you straight up fumbled. I just was like, I was just stuck in paralysis of essentially wearing like pajamas to a bar. I was stuck, but but it's you who cares if it's a good first impression. I mean, I still want to, rep my best self, and I was not. I was absolutely not ripping my best self. But what are you gonna do? Actually, I say, what are you gonna do? But I have a plan. I have a terrible plan, chat. Oh, fuck, but I'm not. Oh, it's not gonna work. Well, I will let you know how my terrible plan goes in 2 weeks. God damn it. Okay, let's see how classes works. Class definition. What? Function definition? What? Am I looking at the right file? Oh, function declaration. Oh, my. Should have just thrown the chocolate with your number on it and run away. That would have been so funny. That would have been so fun. But the thing is, I didn't bring the chocolate into the bar. I was gonna bring the chocolate into the bar. God, I feel so dumb. What are you gonna do? He's gonna invite her to watch the stream, and then he doesn't have to worry about why he's wearing gym shorts to a bar on a Monday. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Streaming is, I feel like streaming is not an impressive thing. Like, most of the time, I tell people I stream, and they're like, oh, you're one of those people. Like, oh, fuck. If only you had printed your 5K certificate. Look, I can run fast. I don't think that shit impresses people either. Anyway. But all you had to do is tell her you use Linux. This was maybe another reason that I was like, ugh. You know when you I feel like it's really rare in life that you see a person and you're like, I instantly want to know you and I want you to crush my soul. I want you to break my fucking heart. And this was one of those people. And one of the reasons, and this is going to sound so dumb, is who the fuck goes to a bar, gets out their laptop, and then just dicks around on their laptop at a bar? And I was like, yes, this is a behavior that I want to reinforce. This is the shit that I would do. I would bring my laptop to a bar and dick around on it. But God, tell her you use Babi. Yeah, you're a wholesome streamer. I'm fairly wholesome. I'm fairly wholesome. The other thing, and this was super subtle, super minor. The like trivia person had like songs that they played in between each of the like trivia questions, and most of them were like shitty old classic rock, or I'm not to say classic rock is shitty or whatever. It's not my jam. Classic rock or like, you know, extremely pop music. But one of the songs, one of the like trivia waiting songs was like pure pop punk emo. And I was like, yeah, I'm bopping my head to this. And she was bopping her head to it too. And I was like, yes, okay. This is the one. Oh no, one of the songs was emo? Yes! One of the songs was emo. But anyway, long story short, I think I'm obsessed with a stranger, which is it's a new one for me. But anyway. Corbab says, was at a conference last year. Someone not related to the conference was at the hotel bar with a triple monitor setup. What? That's insane. That's crazy. That's fucking next level. Bringing monitors to a bar? Holy shit. That's wild. Admittedly, this song wasn't that emo. It was Red Jumpsuit Apparatus. The only song that anyone knows by them, Face Down. The only song that anyone knows by Red Jumpsuit Apparatus. The only song. Do you feel like a man when you push her around? Do you feel better now as she falls to the ground? Yeah, that one. Anyway, that's what it was. I usually roll with a laptop and a monitor. It's like, oh, really? Huh. Like, what kind of monitor? Is it like a portable monitor, or like something where you're like carrying a fucking monitor around? Because I do have a portable display that actually GitHub bought for me. Warp Tux, thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? We're talking about using monitors at a bar for whatever reason. 13-inch portable HP thing. Nice. Yeah, GitHub actually bought me a portable monitor. I don't know why, but they did. So, welcome to the stream. Been there, done that. Ayo, I've never monitored at a bar. That's never. I've laptoped at a bar, but I've never monitored at a bar. That's new for me. The worst thing I've done is 2 laptops. I've done that before too. Akimbo laptops. Yeah, I've done double laptops. I've done work laptop, personal laptop at the same time at a bar once, but never again. DisplayPort or a USB thing. Yeah, your GPU suffer. Hey, there you go. How was your stream? What were you up to? Bones says, could have been worse, could have been. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change. Yeah, it could have been. So funny thing about that song, Secondhand Serenade, Fall for You. The funny thing about that song, for the longest time, where's the line? Because a girl like you is impossible to find. I thought I thought they were just saying that all girls are dumb. For the longest time. Because that's what it sounds like. Okay, anyway. Async def captures 1 and 2. Storage.type.function. Okay, so I think if we make a type keyword, maybe don't mention that to her. No, I won't. That's our little secret chat. Oh, just things you hate, React and Go. I mean, that's fine. I mean, teach their own. You can do that. The meme about me hating React is clips it. Oh, okay, do it. I mean, I don't prefer to write Go or React, but there's no. I'm not gonna stop someone else from doing it. We know you're gonna post the VOD unedited anyway. Yeah, this shit's all on YouTube. This shit's all on YouTube. We'll show our kids this VOD one day. I'm way ahead of myself here. All right. We have to make a statement patterns, class declaration, function declaration, generator. What is generator? What are you? Is that generator statement? This is just a for loop. This is a for loop, bro. This is a for loop. Better hope the wedding happens before she finds out about this stream. This stream, literally today, this stream? Yeah. I feel like this isn't that embarrassing. but okay. Statement keyword. The fuck is that? Assignment operator. Decorator. Docstring statement. Semicolon. Let's see what import looks like since that negative look behind for a dot. White space. Like it's very similar to imports, but not quite. What the fuck is statement keyword? What are you? Why does it have async def there? I feel like that can never match. Okay, so these are just random keywords for control flow. Global is similar, but not quite. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. We're just gonna try some shit and see what happens. So we're gonna say include type declaration. Yeah. Yeah. But maybe we put it before class declaration. I don't know. Type declaration. Actually, what is the what does assignment operator look like? Oh fuck. Oh, it's just the operator. What does assignment look like? Jill says, hey, all right, Anthony chat, I'm gonna head out. Still recovering from anti-VEGF, vitreous injections from yesterday. Oh, well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. I don't know what assignments look like. Generator. There's other statements, so like, how does this work? Oh, I guess an expression is just a. I bet expression handles assignments. All valid Python expressions. Member access. Tokenize identifiers to help linters. All right, let's function declaration. So I think we're gonna follow the similar approach here, but instead of this, we are going to have type, and then this, and then either squaggets or equals, and it's gonna end with yeah, I think we're gonna steal. we don't need you. Type. Fuzzy Cute says, funny thing, I just randomly found your stream and I have to say I'm going to stay for a while. Well, welcome, and thank you for the follow. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. Okay, so this matches white space, followed by the literal word type, followed by an alphanumeric identifier. And then optional white space, and then either an equals or a squacket, an opening squacket. And it is going to end with a look ahead at either a comment. Why is there string? What? This doesn't make any sense to me. This seems like a mistake. I don't know why there would be string quotes in there, so we're gonna get rid of them. Yeah. Oh, we could have just copied from this one here. Yeah. Cute says, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Although I'm still quite the noobish person, Python is my favorite language. Oh, neat. We are trying to make syntax highlighting work today for the new type parameter syntax. And this is the statement we're working on right now. I'm saying that these are good enough for now. We're trying to figure out how to make this one highlight nicely. And yeah, basically that. I've done this wrong. Have I done this wrong? No, I feel like this one's done wrong. Function deck. Yeah, this one's different. Let's. I like this one. Tab size 2. We're yammling. We're yammling on a control. Sounds like a fantastic plan. Storage.type.type.python. Yeah. Oh, this is a look ahead. Okay. We're missing a parenthesis somewhere. We lost a paren. Did we? I don't think we need this. Yeah, that was probably from the async def. So why does this have that without the word boundary character there? That I don't really understand. Like, why is this different? Okay, we're gonna follow what class does. I feel like that these were all written by different people and they're all subtly wrong and broken. But is what it is. Do I need this escaped? Actually, no. What does Python regex do? I feel like you don't need the opening bracket to be escaped, even though it looks stupid. Possible nested set. I guess you should. We'll leave it there. Alright, patterns. We are going to have what? Class name. What is it? Built-in possible callables. What are you? Ooh. Sure. Okay, so we have a series of patterns inside of here. I guess we can... Include type name. Then include type parameters. And then what? How do we... I don't even know how... We don't have arbitrary assignment operator. That's what's weird to me. We... You know what? Maybe we don't need to highlight the rest of it. Maybe we just make it stop at the equals? That looks stupid. Let's put it in squackets even though it's not needed. Yeah. But we probably need more stuff. I guess we can just start with this, see what it does. We need to define type name though. Type name. Two. Any.name.type.type.python sounds stupid, but good. Yo? This isn't highlighted properly. Oh, maybe it's fine. Does it work? Is it that simple? This seems too easy. It seems too easy. It's weird that I got this here, but not... I mean, I guess I kind of see it. Seems fine. But I feel like it should have used... Coasties! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That keyboard is diabolical and I love it. It's certainly a keyboard of all time. First.type. The name. entity.name.function. Entity.name.type.class. My dude, I am well, thanks. Good to hear. Misty's Nuts says I want to split boy. Don't we all? So I feel like this is super jank and probably not gonna get accepted, but should I make the PR? Should I text her back? I feel like this should be .type.python. I don't let's see. There is like tests somewhere. Shit out. Okay. All right. My comment code is too smart. We do the dumb comment instead. Make CI test. They all passed. Wow. Oh fuck, they got so many tests. What do these even look like? Holy fucking shit. What the hell? Bro. Yeah, we don't need tests here. Fuck it. um. Good enough for Babby. Oh, I don't know, man. I have only a tiny bit of an idea of what I'm doing. I didn't bother writing tests, but it does seem to work nicely in my text editor file. Where did the rest of the syntax go? Oh, did I not save it? Oh, here we go. Oh. Oop, that's not what I wanted. I wanted... How do I write to a file? Control O? Yeah. Screenshot time. Wow. We make it big. Wow. Such highlight. Very yum. They don't even have CI set up. Hooray. Bones says, meanwhile, I'm rocking the budget Logitech keyboard. Yo, that was literally me for forever. Like decades of $10 Logitech keyboard. I only got into fancy keyboards after a Twitch viewer literally bought me a nice keyboard. And then I was like, oh, nice keyboards are actually kind of nice. But I used to like just trash keyboards. Like, you know, it's a $10 Logitech keyboard. I'll use it until it breaks, and then I'll buy another shitty $10 Logitech keyboard. But now I gotta actually take care. Although I haven't dusted this one in a while. Really supposed to pluck the keys and blow out all the dust. And wait, did I not click post on? Hello? Hello? What happened here? What switches are you using? These are not my favorite switches. I didn't. If I knew better when I was purchasing, well, I didn't purchase this. Kinesis gifted me this keyboard. They didn't ask me what switches I wanted, so they just sent me reds. Reds? I don't even know anymore. Reds. Yeah, they sent me reds, which are silent. I wish they were browns instead, because that was an option. But I am a huge fan of clears. Do I have mine? I don't know where my other keyboard went. It's usually within reach because chat makes me switch to it, but I don't. Where did I put it? Let me steal my keyboard. I don't know. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. Oh, it's the drop song chat. It's drop song chat. Yeah. Phone says best keyboard. What is your keyboard here? Twitch botched your link for you. Oh, the IBM. Yeah. Does it not have hot swappable switches? What kind of keyboard doesn't include hot swappable switches? Well, especially specialized keyboards tend to not have hot swap switches, because they have like custom PCB and shit. This one does not. You gotta take it apart and desolder it and resolder. That is not fun. I don't really want to do that. Like, don't get me wrong. It actually would be fun to desolder and resolder switches. I actually really enjoy soldering. I used to hate it, but then I started doing it. I'm like, this is kind of fun. I kind of enjoy this. I would have fun resoldering this keyboard, but it would be way more worth my time to just purchase 10 more keyboards than to resolder one of them. So if I actually really wanted browns instead of reds, I would just buy another fucking keyboard. Or I would be like, hey, Kinesis, you know when you hooked me up with a keyboard? What if you gave me the same keyboard with browns? No, I don't think they would do that. But it would be funny. It would be funny. I don't think any of the Kinesis keyboards have hot swap. I don't think they do. But I also don't know. Okay, that was the drop song chat. We did it. It's been a while, but good job, drop song. Will rapper companies do customizations for them? Oh, that's funny. I didn't know that. Okay, so I think we're gonna use my shitty hacky fork of this in Babi Grammars. We'll kick the tires. Yeah. At 695 Python. Bin download syntax magic Python. So we're gonna use our fork. I don't remember how to do the forks. Yeah, we got it to do here. Oh, but I feel like that got merged. I don't think that's open. Maybe we'll done that. Oh, I stuttered the hell out of that one. I feel like there's an issue for this. Several issues with this. 270. Uh, 229. 585. I took a hacky stab at this in 2 seconds. What did I call my branch? PEP 695. PEP 695. I feel like there was a way to like track a branch here. Remember, name version looks like no. In download update only magic Python. I don't think this is gonna work. It branch -r contains this. Oh. We gotta actually get this. It's got too many characters now. What did I do? 8? 7? Like 7? And then if we do download, it's gonna add a new license file, which is fine, I guess. Does it remove the old one? No, it doesn't. Fuck. I think I have to do this. Get it to undo the old one. But I don't remember. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, we can put this back at normal size again. Bring back our other windows. Please no crash. Sometimes that'll crash my terminal emulator because I've hacked the thing, the Gibsons. Oh, it did actually delete that file. Look at that. My past script does the thing that I wanted. Amazing. So if we pip install that, and we make source Python. Def Truth Machine. What the fuck is this program? Why is this not highlighting nicely? Hello? What the fuck? Why is it not using my why is it not using my new grammar? Because it didn't update it. What? Oh, I know why. I know why. Because we're probably reading the XML versions. Yeah, that would do it. You forgot to regen the XMLs. Fuzzy Cute says, I have a curious question. Why not use Docker instead of a virtual machine? Well, because I run Windows. And in order to run Docker on Windows, you need a virtual machine anyway. And Docker doesn't completely replace having a actual functioning environment. It's really nice if you want just like a very very specific targeted thing you want to build, but it's not great for like a generic full development environment, in my opinion. Yeah. And dash shoe. Alright, so now we pip install dot. And now if we open up test data source Python. Yay! Let's not spell it fucking instead of funk. List E. Yeah, we have a generic. Oh, that's funky. That makes sense though. Yeah, a recent video on Docker reproduce really quick was a great example of that. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. That goes to show that even your computer can be influence how a container runs. Cool. I'm pretty happy with this. This seems pretty nice. Use fork of magic Python to add PEP 695 support. Do. Cool. I honestly did not think I was gonna be able to get this working, so I'm a little impressed with myself. I'm also pretty sure it's buggy as hell, but maybe it's as simple as it seems? I don't know. Hooray. You can thank your new followers for that. Fuzzy Cute, thank you. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. What would I have done if it weren't for Fuzzy Cute? We would be struggling in the mines otherwise. We'd have been struggling in the mines. All right, let's release this. IPI token. Paste. Copy something else, upload it to the interwebs, and then upgrade my text editor grammars. Not to 59, we needed to get to 60. There we go. Now we're on 60. Now, if I open that file again, it'll be using the new highlights. Sick. Let's fucking go, baby. Dope. Damn. Damn, I'm good. Oh, shit. That's really cool. I'm really happy with this. It's pretty cool. Anyway. No more red arrows. They're now normal as white arrows. Good job. It's weird to me that this is not highlighted the same as it is here. I don't know why. Don't know why. Do we figure it out? I should really go to bed because I gotta wake up early. But I'm kind of curious. I'm kind of curious. And I feel like we're already sort of balls deep in this that we might as well figure it out. Oh, that was the one I wanted. Where did that go? Oh, here we go. Port.type.python. Oh, is there not a word boundary after that? Is that what the problem is? So there's a negative look behind for a dot. There's no look ahead. So I guess the problem is that a square bracket is not a word boundary. Which is crazy. That doesn't sound right. Why is a square bracket not a word boundary? The regex word boundary definition. Definition. I don't want the AI garbage. Regular expressions.info. See, this doesn't seem right. Am I tripping here? Oh, use your raw string. Okay, so that does work. But what is it getting matched as instead? I guess is the question. Probably item access. And so item name should also go through the same fucking path. What the hell? Special names is what? Built-in types. Where do you get reference from? Okay, so if I go to item access and just guessing, go to item name and I put in built-in functions is here already. What is built-in functions then? Let's see, that's different. Built-in types needs to be there though. Yeah. So item name and we add built-in types. And run make. And run make. And now, whoa, let's go, baby. See, that looks better, right? Versus oh, I didn't save it. An improvement, right? Like for some reason, I think what's why doesn't this have special highlighting? What? Do you have special highlighting? I can barely tell. Oh, it does. But why doesn't it have it here? Oh, it does. It does. Yeah, that's weird to me. Anyway, I think this is an improvement also. So now what the fuck do I do? I guess we make another branch. Fuck. It's really a one-line patch. Wait, I feel like somebody. What was the PEP for that one? PEP. $5.85. I feel like I remember reading that in this somewhere. Not planned. You fool! Wait, I know this person. They comment on pre-commit stuff all the time. What the fuck? This isn't hard. It's literally one line. Someone else attempt this? No? Get good, I guess? And support for PEP 585 generics. Program! Wow, we have the program in chat today. Holy shit. Welcome to the stream. We're literally solving my fucking pet peeves today. It's amazing. Where's that thing? The program, right, Kylondo? The program. How are you enjoying your Twitch experience thus far? Well, I'm almost 7 years into my Twitch experience, so it's going okay. Real quick. No test, but it works. Smile. Yeah. Now I gotta make my fork that combines both of these somehow. And they're gonna conflict each other, so I'm doing some bullshit here. Alright, so we're gonna do another grammar update, I guess. We're just fixing all my pet peeves today. This is great. I'm very happy with this. Neo? You're just an NPC. Wow, this is gonna be life changing for me. Okay, so it's fucked right now, which is good. Good. If I pip install dot and then open it up again. What the fuck? Why did I not download the news source? What the fuck? What? What does Control C do? It sends sig integer. Or sig interrupt, I think it is actually. Going to sleep, Bones? Well, thank you for stopping by. It just cancels whatever I was typing, basically. It is the only letter that is worn off my keyboard. If that tells you how often I do this. What the fuck? Why is this not? Yeah, what the fuck? Where's my... Oh, I know what I did. I know what I did. I undid the other change here. I fucked this. Edit. No, 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 no. Yes. All right, now I got a new commit ID. Go back over here. Paste in our new SHA. Re-download. They've installed dot. And we'll do before after. Test data source Python. All right, before. with lists not colored, and then after. Yay, colored. We did it. Fucking A, man. Update Magic Python fork to have PEPs 585s. Cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. This is fucking hype. This is so sick. Oh, this is so sick. Damn, I'm so happy with this. Oh, 271. Not too bad. Line change in 271. Fucking sick. Does look much better, right? I agree. I agree. I'm very happy with myself. I did done good today. Patch, and we will pipe ya again. Wow, so many releases of this library today. In Ultimate Cowards versioning too. And we will upgrade 261. And so now, even my that editor has nice highlighting. Oh, so much more colorful now. Oh, that's so cool. Oh. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, anyway. Enough of me being happy with myself. Go back to being sad. That's gonna wrap up our stream today. Let me do my little spiel, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I gotta wake up early and go to the doctor's tomorrow. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go check those out there. Yeah, subscribe there, etc. If you missed any part of the stream, those end up on the second channel, which is at anthonywritescode-vods. That's where the stream VODs show up. What a funny little thumbnail. Look at me pointing. Yeah, pointing. Yeah, go subscribe there. And if you want to get notified about streams, we have a Discord. Join the Discord. That's where I announce streams. There's help channel if you want to ask programming questions, and there's also a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So go join the Discord. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Thank you all for stopping by, and I will see you around.